Here I have a microphone especially for a Bodhrán, right? It's a gooseneck, so you can twist it in, get the sound, and it's plugged into an amplifier. And the way it works is very simple. You get two of these clips that stick onto the Bodhrán. The gooseneck comes off this clip whenever you're finished with it, and can go onto it whenever. It just lifts up. Very, very simple, very neat, very easy. That clip is not going to come off. It'll take a screwdriver or a chisel to take that off, and I'm sure it'll damage the Bodhrán in the meantime. So it's very secure clip holding on the gooseneck. You get enough length of wire to go into a battery pack. Right, so you have power. You could hear the power going on. This clips onto your belt. Very handy. And you can hear the sound now. Maybe too loud. I'm not sure. But you have immediate sound. No real interference with wires. And the Bodhrán is mic'd up. And you can go off and play. Now, as I say, you get two clips of these, just in case you need to take this off, or in case you need to place it elsewhere on the microphone and you make a mistake with the first placing. I'm going to turn that off because I can hear the sound of it. These you'll find on the website. They used to be very expensive years ago. These are not. They're very affordable, and every Bodhrán could have one if you're micing up in a session, or if you're micing up to do a recording. It's a very inexpensive way to hire the tone of your Bodhrán. So just once more then, you can take your pack off. Leave it to one side. You can take your clip out, your gooseneck microphone out, leave your Bodhrán to one side, and just tidy up the wire. Very easy to use.